Welcome back to RevCheck, where we dive deep into the most extraordinary vehicles the world has to offer. Today, we have something truly out of this world to explore: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a creation that blurs the line between ultra-luxury automotive engineering and high-end real estate on wheels. Rolls-Royce has always been a symbol of prestige, refinement, and unmatched craftsmanship. But this motorhome takes those qualities to an entirely new dimension. It's not just a way to travel. It's a statement that wherever you go, you take an entire palace with you. Imagine the grandeur of a Rolls-Royce Phantom, the elegance of a private jet, and the comfort of a five-star suite, all infused into a single moving masterpiece that promises to turn every journey into an event of pure indulgence. From the moment you first lay eyes on the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, the design language speaks volumes. The iconic Pantheon grille takes center stage, flanked by laser-cut adaptive crystal headlights that not only illuminate the road, but also project a signature pattern ahead, like a runway for your arrival. The massive body flows with smooth, uninterrupted lines, showcasing the paintwork that can be customized in more than 40 exclusive Rolls-Royce bespoke colors, each hand-polished to a mirror finish. The wheels are works of art themselves, 24-inch forged alloys with a signature floating RR center caps, ensuring the logo is always upright, no matter how far or fast you travel. Discrete chrome accents outline the body, and flush automatic doors open to welcome you in with a soft, graceful motion, revealing the true magic that lies inside. Step inside, and it feels less like entering a motorhome and more like walking into a penthouse suite designed by the world's most exclusive interior architects. The floor is crafted from rare Macassar ebony wood inlays, polished to perfection and combined with plush hand-woven silk carpeting. The seats, if you can even call them that, are throne-like recliners upholstered in the softest grade, a leather sourced exclusively from Northern European herds, each hide inspected and approved by Rolls-Royce's master craftsmen. Every seat features full massage functions, heating, cooling, and a zero-gravity mode for ultimate relaxation. The lighting is an experience in itself, with a customizable starlight headliner that mimics the constellations of any night sky you choose, from the Milky Way to your favorite summer night back home. The lounge area is pure serenity, offering panoramic windows with electrochromic tinting that adjusts at the touch of a button, giving you privacy without sacrificing the view. Rolls-Royce has equipped the motorhome with a surround sound system developed in collaboration with the legendary audio brand Bowers & Wilkins, delivering 3D spatial sound so immersive you'll feel like the orchestra is performing right there in your living space. A hidden 75-inch 8K OLED display emerges silently from the cabinetry for movie nights, and the cabinetry itself is crafted from solid walnut with mother-of-pearl inlays, offering storage that feels more like luxury display cases than functional cupboards. The kitchen redefines the concept of mobile cooking. This is not a standard RV kitchenette. This is a gourmet chef's playground. It features a marble countertop imported from Carrara, Italy, with integrated induction cooking zones, a convection oven, a hidden dishwasher, and a built-in espresso machine that can brew everything from a ristretto to a flat white with barista. The fridge is a dual-zone model with dedicated compartments for wine and champagne, keeping each at their perfect serving temperature. There's even a temperature-controlled pantry for gourmet ingredients, ensuring that whether you're cooking in the Alps or the deserts of Morocco, your meals are prepared in absolute style. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom feels like a sanctuary in motion. A full king-sized bed, dressed in Egyptian cotton sheets and topped with a cashmere comforter, invites you to drift into restful sleep. The bed sits opposite another hidden entertainment screen, while the room itself benefits from active noise-canceling technology built into the walls, ensuring that outside sounds simply don't exist. There's a walk-in wardrobe with automated lighting, custom-fitted drawers, and a personal safe for valuables. Even in the most remote destinations, this bedroom feels like a luxury retreat in the heart of a metropolitan penthouse. Of course, the bathroom is where Rolls-Royce decided to make perhaps its boldest statement. Imagine stepping into a rainfall shower with a ceiling-mounted LED that mimics natural daylight or moonlight, surrounded by heated marble walls and a teak floor that stays warm underfoot. The vanity is cut from a single piece of crystal quartz, glowing softly from within, with gold-plated fixtures that feel substantial to the touch. There's even a Japanese smart toilet with every conceivable function, including a self-cleaning bidet, adjustable water temperature, and a fragrance diffuser that subtly scents the air. Every detail has been meticulously considered to ensure the experience feels spa-like in every possible way. On the technical side, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by an advanced hybrid electric drivetrain, pairing a silky, smooth V12 twin-turbo petrol engine with a high-capacity electric motor. Combined, they produce over 900 horsepower, allowing this behemoth to glide from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, remarkable for a vehicle of its size. The adaptive air suspension works in harmony with predictive road scanning to ensure a ride so smooth that even a glass of champagne remains perfectly still. With an electric-only range of 80 miles and a regenerative braking system, it's also designed to be as efficient as possible for short city trips. Technology integration is seamless yet invisible. Rolls-Royce's philosophy of effortless luxury at work. Voice commands control everything from climate to lighting, while a concealed touchscreen panel in the armrest gives you access to navigation, entertainment, and even Rolls-Royce's bespoke concierge service. The vehicle is equipped with full Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to take over on long highway stretches, while you sit back and enjoy the scenery. For those who prefer the joy of driving, the steering is precise and weighted just right, giving the driver a sense of control rarely found in large motorhomes. Perhaps the most unique element is the outdoor experience. At the touch of a button, the side panel extends into a fully furnished terrace with teak decking, retractable awnings, and even a compact fire pit for evening gatherings under the stars. It's Rolls-Royce's way of reminding you that luxury isn't confined to the inside. It extends to the world around you. Whether you're parked by a lakeside, on a mountain pass, or beside a vineyard, the motorhome transforms into your personal luxury retreat. Every journey in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a reminder that travel can be as extraordinary as the destination. It's not just a vehicle. It's a moving testament to human craftsmanship, technology, and the art of living well. In a market flooded with luxury RVs, this one doesn't just set the bar. It exists in a category of its own. The price tag? Well, let's just say if you have to ask, you're probably not the target buyer. But for those who can, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers something truly priceless. The ability to take the highest standard of living anywhere on Earth without compromise, without hurry, and without ever feeling far from home. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious vehicles on the planet, make sure to stay tuned for more incredible reviews right here on RevCheck, where we bring the world's most remarkable machines straight to your screen.